When it comes to home projects or professional jobs, nothing slows you down like a weak drill that cannot keep up. A good cordless drill is more than just a convenience. It is a game changer, offering power, portability, and performance wherever you need it. In this guide to the best cordless drills, we break down 5 outstanding options that deliver real results for both beginners and seasoned pros. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. COMOWARE 20V Cordless Drill Set. Rounding out our list is the COMOWARE 20V Cordless Drill Set, which combines affordability with solid functionality. This cordless drill is designed for casual use, yet it still packs enough features to handle common household repairs, light woodworking, and assembly projects. It features 2-speed control ranging from 0 to 1,300 rotations per minute and includes 25+1 clutch settings for better torque control. That kind of adjustability helps prevent overdriving screws or damaging materials, which is especially important for delicate surfaces or fine-tuning projects. The included battery is a 20-volt 1,500 mAh lithium-ion unit that charges in about 1 hour. It provides enough runtime for light to moderate tasks and can be swapped out easily for continued use if you have a second battery. The drill also includes a 3/8-inch keyless metal chuck, allowing for easy bit changes by hand without extra tools. LED lighting is built into the unit for working in darker environments, and the forward or reverse switch adds more flexibility. One of the best parts of this drill kit is the included 34-piece accessory set, which contains a wide variety of bits and drivers. It also comes with a compact storage case, making it easy to carry, store, or gift. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill Driver Kit. Next on our list is the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill/Driver Kit, a compact yet capable solution for users who do not need an entire combo set. This single tool package is a great option for beginners or those working on light to moderate projects who still want quality performance without overpaying for additional tools. This drill includes a high-performance motor that produces 280 unit watts-out, which is powerful enough for drilling holes in wood, metal, or plastic and handling general fastening jobs. The 2-speed gearbox gives you control with speeds ranging from 0 to 1,500 rotations per minute, allowing you to work at your own pace and precision depending on the task. Number 3. Deco Pro Cordless Drill 20V Set. Fourth on our list is the Deco Pro Cordless Drill Set, a value-packed option that comes with a full accessory kit, a rechargeable battery, and a charger. For anyone just getting into DIY or home repair, this set provides a great entry-level tool without breaking the bank. Despite its budget-friendly price, this drill performs surprisingly well for basic tasks. It features 2-speed settings from 0 to 1,350 rotations per minute and offers 18+1 torque settings. This level of control makes it easy to adjust the drill based on the material or project, whether you are putting together furniture, installing shelves, or hanging decor. The design is lightweight and compact, weighing just 2.5 pounds. That makes it especially comfortable for longer jobs or overhead tasks where heavier drills would become tiring. The drill also includes an ergonomic handle that feels secure in the hand, helping prevent fatigue and slippage. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. Coming in second is the CRAFTSMAN V20 Max Combo Kit, a strong contender that offers a great balance of power, value, and design. This kit also includes both a cordless drill and an impact driver, along with 2 lithium-ion batteries and a charger. It is an excellent option for those who want pro-level performance at a more affordable price point without compromising on features. The drill, labeled CMCD 700, delivers 280 unit watts-out of power, enough to handle most drilling and fastening applications around the home or worksite. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill. Taking the top spot in our list of best cordless drills is the DEWALT 20V Max Combo Kit, and it earns that place for all the right reasons. This set brings together both a cordless drill and an impact driver, giving you unmatched versatility for a wide range of tasks, from simple household fixes to more demanding projects. With 2 lithium-ion batteries included, you can easily switch between tools or stay powered longer during full workdays. The drill itself features a 2-speed transmission and delivers up to 1,500 rotations per minute, giving you speed control that suits everything from delicate screwing to heavy-duty drilling. Be sure to check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on your favorite model.